Hi there guys, I'm Joey Blake. I'm the founder and manager of Town Search Cymru and Wales Music Support Network. Of course, we have been faced with a challenge at this moment in time. A very difficult challenge where we all have to practice social distancing to try and get back to a normal world. I can assure that we will get there, that is 100%. But it's really important that we do stay home and stay safe at a time like this. I know a lot of people, until the situation's completely in front of you, sometimes it's hard to see how bad it is. So some people are still going out, still sunbathing and all these things, and that's fine. But the risk of that is not just for yourself, it's for other people around you. And I think it's important you realise that you may not feel like, oh, I haven't got no symptoms, I'm fine. But you may have it, and there might be somebody in your family that you may pass that to that hasn't got the system to be able to cope with it. It can't just be one or two people doing this, it needs to be the vast majority of people, not just in Wales, but around the UK. Everyone needs to kind of step together now and literally just take part in this. There is so much you can do, there is things that you can do at home. If anything, it gives you a chance to spend more time with family, things like that. There's so much you can do, and I think it's times like this that you really got to see and appreciate what you actually do have, because a lot of us take life for granted a lot and we don't sometimes see what we have. And I think times like this kind of shows us that there's so much more. So here's a few messages from some talents from the network, and this is what they've got to say.
Hello, I'm Mia. I'm 13 years old and I'm from Aberteifi. These two are enjoying spending more time with me. We are staying home and you should too.
We need to listen. We need to listen to what the government are saying. As much as it's a pain, as much as it's a drain our daily lives, we just need to stay in and only go out where very, very necessary. Just stay in. Together we can fix it. It's true, we can fix it. This coronavirus won't beat us. It's just something put in our path to test us. And we will beat it. We will fix it, we'll beat it, and we'll get past it. As a nation, we're going to get past all this. We just need to be sensible. Stay indoors, everybody. Stay safe. Love to you all.
Stay safe.
I just wanted to pop on here and plead that you all stay inside, keep yourself safe, keep others safe.
Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. Please stay inside, because the quicker we do it, the quicker we can get back out again. Stay safe everywhere.
Hey guys, it's Lawson here. Stay indoors. Whoever's at Dow TV, listen to me, because you got to stay indoors.
What he said. Yeah, it's very important that you all just stay in. I know it's boring. Everyone wants to go out, everyone wants to see their friends, but just stay indoors, stay safe.
Hi everyone, social distancing is important. Stay home and stay safe to save your life.
Obviously, it's a really massive sickness going on right now and it's very serious. So please stay indoors and self-isolate, because even though you may not have symptoms, you could potentially be spreading you could potentially be spreading the virus to others if you're in contact with them. So yeah, please stay indoors and always remember, wash your hands.
And put sanitizer on.
Yeah, and use hand sanitizer.
Coronavirus is not a joke. Stick to the rules and practice social distancing. I'm staying at home and you should too. Protect the NHS.
I'm doing my part. Now it's time that you do yours. Keep safe, guys.
Stay home and stay safe.
Can everyone take these social distancing rules seriously? Because the more we stay in our houses, the quicker that this will all be over and done with.
I just want to quickly hop on and tell you guys to please stay inside due to this situation. COVID-19 is very serious, and the last thing we want is for people to get ill. So what I urge you to do is to wash your hands and stay inside. The situation is very serious. I know some of you might not think it is, but it is. And it is causing a lot of harm in the world right now. And for all this to be over, we have to Listen to what they're saying, to stay inside and to wash your hands.
So I know that it sucks being stuck in the house, but it is important to make sure you're still staying in and keeping yourself safe, as well as everyone else that's in your community, and only going out for essential things. Just make sure that you're socially distancing when you are out, and make sure everyone's safe.
Hiya everybody, just a quick message from me to stay positive and to stay at home. That's the most important thing. And use this time wisely to be able to spend it with your family and get tasks done that probably you wouldn't have been able to do if this wasn't happening. And just keep yourself busy. Busy. Use music. Music is the most amazing thing ever, and it can keep you occupied. And just from me to stay positive, because that's what I'm doing. I'm finding stuff to do all the time.
By going out and continuing our daily lives, we are putting other people's lives at risk, so please just stay home and stick to the guidelines. Therefore, we can get back to our daily lives as quickly as possible. But for now, please stay home to save lives.
Social distancing is really important because it protects the NHS and stops us from getting the virus.
Hi guys, just a quick message just to ask you all to keep yourself safe. Also, stay at home no matter how much you're struggling with social distancing and also being away from certain family and friends, but it's important over these next few weeks to just stay in, not just to protect yourself, your family or your friends, but also to protect the nation. So stay home, stay safe.
Remember to wash your hands, stay away from friends and family. I know it's a hard thing to do. The sooner we do this, the sooner the better.
My youngest daughter was recently diagnosed with an illness, and my mum is a key worker, so by you going out and not listening to the government's rules is putting their lives in danger. So therefore, please stay safe, stay inside, and the sooner we all do this, means the sooner we can all get back to our normal lives.
That this will actually be over with, and the quicker we can get back to our lives and the summer that everyone really wants.
Please stay safe and please stay at home to help the NHS.
I can't see my nan or my older sister because of it, but it's got to be done.
I think the social distancing is really important at the moment to ensure that we can all stop the virus from spreading quickly and get back to our normal lifestyles, which I know we all want. We also need to social distance to make sure that we're taking care of our families as well as other people's families and other people too, and not putting them all at risk. Stay home and save lives.
Stay safe, stay home.
Please stay in and look after one another.
Hello guys, we're here today to ask you all to please stay safe from COVID-19 and please distance yourself from others so we can go back to normality soon. Stay home,
save lives, protect the NHS. Thank you!
I want to break free. I want to break free, but I can't. We need to stay safe, support the NHS, and don't forget social distancing. Then life still goes on.
Hi guys, this is Trav from Cymru coming here with a very important message. If you stay inside, you could save someone's life. If you stay inside, you could save someone's life. So we should do all that we can so we can quickly get back to having fun. Stay home, protect the NHS, save lives.
It's a simple instruction. Stay home, stay safe.